Join me as I dive into the world of whole life insurance for kids and see if it really is a smart investment. Whole life insurance for kids is a type of permanent life insurance that provides coverage for the child's entire lifetime, as long as premiums are paid. It's a topic of interest for many families who want to ensure their child's financial future is secure. Many parents are concerned about the cost of whole life insurance for their kids, and whether it's really necessary. Some may think that the premiums are too high, especially considering that children are generally healthy and less likely to pass away. Others may worry that the money spent on premiums could be better invested elsewhere, such as in a savings account or a different type of investment. Parents also worry about the potential returns on their investment in whole life insurance for their kids. They may wonder if the cash value component of the policy will grow quickly enough to be worth the cost of the premiums. Some may be skeptical about the idea of investing in a life insurance policy for a child, when there are other financial priorities to consider. Another concern for parents is whether whole life insurance for kids is really a priority, given all the other expenses and financial responsibilities that come with raising a family. They may question whether it's more important to focus on saving for college, paying off debt, or building up an emergency fund. These are all valid concerns, and it's essential to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. The benefits and drawbacks of whole life insurance for children are complex, and it's crucial to understand how it works. Whole life insurance policies have a cash value component that grows over time, and this can be borrowed against or used to pay premiums. However, the cash value may not grow as quickly as other investments, and the premiums can be expensive. On the other hand, whole life insurance provides a guaranteed death benefit, which can be a valuable safety net for families. The cash value component of whole life insurance policies can be a valuable asset for families, but it's essential to consider the potential long-term implications. As the child grows older, they may be able to take over the policy and use the cash value to help pay for their own financial goals, such as buying a home or starting a business. However, there may be fees and taxes associated with borrowing against or withdrawing from the cash value, which can reduce its value. One of the main benefits of whole life insurance for kids is that it can provide a guaranteed death benefit, which can be a valuable safety net for families. If the worst were to happen, the death benefit could help cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, and other financial obligations. This can be a huge relief for families who may be struggling to cope with the loss of a loved one. The main insight about whole life insurance for kids is that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Whether or not it's a smart investment depends on a family's individual circumstances and financial goals. Parents should consider their own financial situation, the child's health and well-being, and their overall financial priorities before making a decision. It's also essential to carefully review the policy terms and conditions, and to compare different options before choosing a whole life insurance policy for their kid. In conclusion, whole life insurance for kids can be a valuable investment for some families, but it's not right for everyone. The pros and cons need to be carefully considered, and parents should weigh their options carefully before making a decision. It's essential to think about the potential long-term implications, and to consider alternative investment options. If you have thoughts about whole life insurance for kids, please share them in the comments below. Check out my other videos for more financial insights and tips on how to make the most of your money. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.